Hello traders, welcome to another episode. As usual, I'm sharing this scalping technique that actually we use to scalp gold. You know, gold is so volatile and it can give us some profits in the short run. So as you can see here, we are floating in profit with gold, guys, right? And we are really scalping it. Okay, so as usual, I show you how we code this move, and you too you can do it, right? As I told you, I always use the fair value gap strategy and order block strategy actually after following the market bias, right? So here, if you go to your higher time frame, I'm on my M, like I'm on my MetaTrader 5, ready? So it's the one I'm gonna use. As you see here, the market was kind of bearish. If you go, if you really come on this, if you come on this on this current market structure, you can see it was kind of bearish, right? Because of the higher highs, high lows it was making right here. Okay, so if you really be able to see something here, let me show you. Here there is this break of structure. You can see there is this break of structure. So the market has been kind of bearish, right, up to when it reached right here. Okay, when the market reached right here, it was actually making some double tops and actually not even double tops, but it consolidated somehow here. There was some consolidation right here. If you really keen about this, there was some consolidation right here, and because of this what equal highs and equal lows, there was this consolidation right there. Okay, so now for us, we didn't care about that, right? So after that, what we wanted is the break of this consolidation, right? We wanted our market to just come and break this consolidation right here. Okay, so after breaking that consolidation, yes, up here we must have some good fair value gaps and order blocks. And first, remember, I'm on my, let me first go on my 1 hour time frame. So we had two fair value gaps on my 1 hour time frame. We had this one, right? We had this one and this second one right here. This upper one, you can see it is right there. Okay, so as you can see, the market just came to the other extreme what? It just came to the extreme fair value gap, right? It is the one in the premium, and always you have at least to consider the ones that are in premium or discount when you are buying in premium, when you want to sell, right? So if you come here on your time frame, as you can see, you will see how the market actually moved up, right? It was buying till it reached our fair value gap, and you can see it just tapped it, right? It just tapped it a bit, then you see it is just selling like nothing, and it is about to reach our TP. So even on GBP USD, we have a trade. You can see it is the same thing, guys, on GBP USD. See, on GBP USD, it is actually the same thing, guys. The market was buying. It was actually buying. As you can see, we caught some buy moves from right here. Actually, it was going up till it reached here. You know, here, if you go to your higher time frame, if you really go to your higher time frame, there were supply zones here. The market was the market tapped before it actually, it is before it sells, right? So as you can see right here, let me show you, there's this supply zone right here. Yes, there's that supply zone. And if you come to your lower time frame, like M15, you'll see that when the market tapped your supply zone, it started consolidating a bit before actually it broke down. Okay, so there was this break. Actually, there was this new what we call it a market structure shift on our lower time frame. Remember, we get confirmation on M15. There was that break of structure on our M15. Then after that, you see there is this what? There is this order block. The market came in tapped. It tapped there, and you can see it is now selling. Also, we caught it. As you can see, the market is still selling like nothing, and we are waiting for our TP. So that's how you can catch all these moves on gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, and you'll be able to get some profits in the market, guys. As you can see, the gold trade is still moving like nothing, guys. So you can be able to catch all these trades if you really follow structure, right? You have to follow structure. On gold, you'll see it was buying. Then, you know, if you reach on your zones, the market will just respect it. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Hope this video has helped you somehow. Consider subscribing, give a like to this video. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye, guys.